Hello, friends. Good evening. Namaskar. Welcome to my blog, new vlog, and my channel, The Nourishing Narrative of Dr. Mandeep Kaur. I give you a hearty welcome to all of you. Today I had been to the nursery and I had brought some new plants. These are new members, new addition to my plant family. So I will tell you the names of the plants that I have brought today. So it was very hot. Today the weather was very extremely hot. As I went to the nursery, I was sweating profusely. The weather was very hot. I expected some respite from the warm climate, but there were no signs of clouds and rain anywhere today. So yesterday it rained, as I have showed you in my vlog, the tour of my first floor balcony garden. So but compared to yesterday, today's weather was very hot, and in the morning I came to water the plants, but I saw that the mud was wet. But now when I'm coming here, I am seeing that, see, the leaves are just dropping down because of the extreme heat of the sun. So the weather nowadays is quite uncertain. We cannot tell what weather we are going to face today. So let me show you the plants that I have procured. This is the hybrid variety of Exora. This also I brought first time. The nurseryman told me that you take this and you will see the difference in your garden. So believing him, I have brought this. So this one is the double or multi-petaled hibiscus. It's orange colored, and this one is the name of this plant is, I'm forgetting the name now. So Madhu Malti. Madhu Kamini is different, and this one is Madhu Malti. It will give flowers in bunches, and it will change its colors. It grows in hanging vines, and it produces a very sweet smell. So I had a wish to have these flowers in my garden also. So I have searched online also. I have ordered one from Meesho or Flipkart, I think, but I will cancel the order because when you order the plants online, they take time to deliver. So because of that, the leaves get dried up, and there are very few chances of survival. So I don't recommend any one of you to buy online plants. As far you as it is possible for you, you should visit the nursery and buy fresh plants. No matter some little money you have to spend, but online also they are taking the same charges. So if you spend some money and you bring home the plants from the nursery, the fresh plants, and they are also taken good care of, and so that way your plants will prosper, and there are better chances of survival. So I will recommend all my followers to go to the nursery and buy plants. So I have shown you the Madhumalti, and this one is the orange colored Exora. It costed me 120 rupees. This one, and I'm very happy today because all the plants that I wanted for a long time, I got it. This is the Aprajita plant, but the speciality of this plant is that it is double petaled. So one is this is, I think, blue colored, and the other one is also that it is white colored. So there, this two colored Aprajita plant I have brought. This is also hibiscus, red hibiscus, and this is the, we call it chameli, and I don't know the other name. From a long time I was having the wish of getting this plant, even getting a cutting. I have brought the cutting also last year from my sister's house, but I did not get it. See how the crow is drinking water. See, see the crow is drinking water from the pot that is kept on the my neighbor's terrace. So if you keep a pot of water, then these birds, they also feel thirsty during the summer season. It's very hot, and see how the crow is drinking water. See, the second one, the first crow drank, and now the second one, and one pigeon is also there. See, the second one is drinking water now. So the pigeons and crows are roaming together. There were two peacocks also in this house, so they, because see the cage is there, but the peacock was, I think, some animal killed it, they are telling. See now, see how both of them are feeding each other. See, now two crows are drinking water. It's a very beautiful sight to behold, so I am showing you all. And see, the pigeons there are eating the grains. They are eating the grains over there. So let's go back to the plants and check what other plants I have brought. This is my white hibiscus. Earlier also I had one big plant of white hibiscus. It was giving many flowers, but due to heavy storm, this plant also got destroyed when I was not here. So I brought it again. And this is a peculiar grass that I have brought to grow it in the lanes. This is also a flower vine, or I don't know what type of it is. And one more thing I will show you all is the small saplings I have brought. It is 5 rupees. It costs rupees 5, and I will show you what all it is before ending the video. So now see, this is, I don't know the name of this plant, but this will also give beautiful flowers. They said 3 colored flowers. I have brought 3 saplings, and I have brought 3 other colored portulaca. My love for portulaca is increasing day by day as they are showing a good growth. And this one is the morning glory. See, it's so small. Morning glory. I had seen in the videos, but this is the first time I have brought it. I hope this plant will grow. It is of 2 colors. They have given me of 2 colors. See, morning glory. Today I also went to my friend's place, and I went with her to the nursery. So there is a shop, wholesale shop. The man is rarely, he opens his shop. So today fortunately I found the shop open, and I brought some tidbits, some bangles, necklace, earrings, and clips, clutches, and he also showed me some nail polish, so I brought it. Actually I don't get time to put nail polish and all to color my nails, but self love is important. We should also groom ourselves sometimes. I also don't get time to cut my nails even. I have not trimmed it or done any type of fashion, but they just grow because I am not getting time to cut them. So I thought before cutting them, let me apply some nail polish and then I will cut my nails. So sorry for the interruption. So this was all about today, my plants and what all I have brought. So thanks for watching. Thanks so much. If you have watched my full video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, The Nourishing Narrative of Dr. Mandeep Kaur. And Keep watching, keep growing, keep sharing. Thank you so much. Bye bye.